Hey, what's up guys, Watch View here. Today in this video, I will show you guys how to change the band on a Seiko 5 watch. This will really work with any other watch that has a spring bar in it. Now I decided to make this video because when I had first gotten into watches, I had tried to replace the band on one of my watches. And so I looked it up on YouTube and almost all the videos were potato quality and they were almost 10 minutes long. So now I decided to make a more simplified version and definitely not 10 minutes long. But anyways, let's get into it. So one of the first things you want to do is have a band removal tool or at least a small flathead screwdriver. I do recommend that you get the tool because it's only a couple bucks on Amazon, and if you wanted to get a bigger watch tool set, it's like 15 bucks, but it comes with everything. You would need to maintain your watch. Another reason to get the set is because on a flathead screwdriver, it doesn't have the little curve in them to properly grip the pin. I just don't want you guys to slip and scratch, even dent your watch. But anyways, the links to those tools are in the description. So once you have your new tool or you have your flathead screwdriver, you want to push down on the spring bar until it comes undone. Then once you do that, you can take out the bar and put it in your new band. Now to put it back in, you want to put the bottom corner in first and push down and position it in the hole. And also make sure to give it a little tug to make sure that it's on. If you guys are interested in this watch, this is the SNZG11 and I did make a review on this watch, so if you want to check out that video, the link will be in the description. Also be sure to comment down below and tell me how you guys made out. But anyways guys, thank you all for watching. This has been Watch Review.